Welcome, today in front of me XIAOMI Redmi 10C, and I'll show you the fingerprint scanner test on this device. So a couple of minutes ago I set up my fingerprint here to this scanner, and now as can you see I can unlock the device with my fingerprint. So I'll just make a couple of tries to unlock the device and we'll see how fast this feature is and does it works. So let's start. Okay, so I'll use this scanner. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So as can you see the scanner works so fast because we can unlock the device just less than in half second. So that's the perfect result for the fingerprint, and I'll just suggest you to try this. For example, if you don't like some unlock methods like the passcodes, pin codes, so you can use the fingerprint, but don't forget that the fingerprint is less secure than the passcode or pin codes on your device. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you found this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment, and to subscribe our channel.